Hello and welcome back to Kizzy's Place. I am giving you a short view of my garden. Um, yeah, it's been so hot. I have just not been out here a lot, just making sure that the plants get water when they need water. And then we started to have rains, and so that kept me from being out here. But it needs some attention, and I have a few things that I can harvest. So I'm excited to get that harvest apron out and put some things in it. I have some eggplant, some okra. My beans just got eaten up by the grasshoppers. So I guess that's what I planted them for the grasshoppers, because they ate them all down. I never got anything out of it. Here's my Japanese squash, and I'm told that when it gets a little woody around the stem, it's time to cut it off. So I'm going to harvest that today also. And here's my other eggplant plant. All of my eggplant came in as little petites. I think the biggest one is probably about 4 inches long. And yeah, so I'm not sure if that is a variety of eggplant or if there is something deficient in my soil or in my container whereby the eggplant is not growing bigger. Here's more okra. Getting ready to harvest that. And here is my jalapeno peppers. And they look extra healthy. Look at those. So I'm going to be cutting those off the vine today and taking them inside, finding something yummy to put them in. It took a long time for this plant to grow, but once it started growing, wow, it produced some really healthy looking peppers. Here is the tomato plant that I have been trying my best to get to produce, and it is just not going to happen. As you can see, there's still some flowers at the top there. On this one, the grasshoppers got a hold of it and ate all the leaves off of it, so I don't have any hope for that one at all. But I will have you know that I did do that process with the eggshells and the vinegar. I let it effervescent until it stopped, and then I mixed it with water and a few tablespoons of the fertilizer. I fertilized it a couple times, and still this plant is not producing. So what I decided to do is to get rid of all of the plants that are not producing, and to give all of my soil some good treatment, some good nourishment, and I'm going to drop some more seeds because I can't give up. Food is getting too expensive, and I need to become better at this gardening. So yeah, keep me in your thoughts and prayers out there. Also, stay tuned because I have a short that I'm going to upload today and show you my harvest and what I did get. So whatever I get out of the garden, I am thankful for, no matter how small, no matter how little. All right, have a good day, and I will see you on the next video.